Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica, and in today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm using my most expensive shit type of video, random talk. Let's get into it. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I do a video every Sunday, and let's go. So like I said in the beginning of this video, we are doing a get ready with me. I'm using my expensive shit, how much did I put on my face type of video. And I already have my eyebrows on because it's a process. Like, the eyebrows is just a process. I hate them, and I figured let's get this done. You guys already seen me put it on. Why not? So I figured I'd do this video because I have gone shopping, so look out for that video, guys. I have gone shopping this week, like majorly. It might not be for another week or so, but look out for that video because the haul is going to be extremely big. Extremely big. I have bags over there waiting. Like, you know how hard it is for me to buy makeup and not use them right away? Like, it's so hard. So I'm gonna go in with the Tatcha, the liquid skin canvas. I will put all the prices down below somewhere. This one is expensive, but it is probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite, primers. It is so nice. It leaves the skin smooth and just even, and everything just goes on so nicely when I use this. So if I do not mention the products, I will leave the products somewhere on the screen with the pricing, because I want to chat throughout while I get ready. You know, why not? Not that I have much to talk about, but I got stuff to talk about. I'm going in now with the CC Cream Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Dude. I freaking love this. I believe I got this in my Boxy Charm. I'm not quite sure, but we're just gonna put this bitch on my face. I wanted to talk to you guys about a new show that I am watching called Bridgerton. Oh my gosh, this show is so drama. It is like a mixture of Gossip Girl and the Tudors, and I love it. If you guys have never seen Gossip Girl or the Tudors, Gossip Girl is a teeny show. I watched it, like, I believe it aired like right out of high school, and it was about high school rich kids who went to places in New York. I forget what school in New York, like a private Catholic school in New York, and there was a girl who we later find out who it is. I don't want to give it away if you haven't watched it. Find out her name is Gossip Girl. So literally she does a column where she talks about all the scandals of the school and of the town, and she like ruins so many people's lives because she does all these articles about it. So that's pretty much what it is, and all you hear is the voice, and she's always putting people on blast, putting secrets out, and like everybody in the town had like notifications where they would get where Gossip Girl would talk about somebody. She would always do something to make people's lives miserable, and it was such a good show. Now I'm going in with the It's Cosmetics again. Okay, bitch. And it's the Bye Bye Under Eye. I hardly use this because it is, bitch, it is thick coverage. Thick that is. So anyway, that's what Gossip Girl's about. And then the Tudors is about Henry VIII and his wives, and that's such a good show. So if you like that time period, which I love that time period, you should watch that show. That's what Bridgerton is. So it's that time period with a column that comes out, or a newsletter that comes out about the scandals that are going on in that in the London royal court, and it's so good. It only has 8 episodes on Netflix, and I'm on the last one. I started yesterday. I'm like binging this shit because it's so good. Plus I want to talk about it at work with one of my coworkers because she asked me if I watched it, and I was like, girl, I got the next 2 days off, I will watch it. With the Becca Hydra Mist powder. So anyway, that is what I'm watching. It is so good. So much scandals going on. I love it. You guys should definitely check it out. Like, I'm one to always watch something last because everybody's watching it and I don't want to be that person jumping on the bandwagon to watch it. But it is actually like really, really good. Going with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in Walnut. And we're going to use this as like my eyeshadow base. Okay. So what are you guys watching right now? Like, that's literally what I'm watching. Another good show that's on Netflix is Schitt's Creek. Oh my god. So my friend got me into that show. And baby, it is so good. So it has Eugene Levy, which is the dad from American Pie. I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light. I'm just going to contour just like a tad bit. But it has the dad from American Pie in it. Where's mine? His son is the writer, which is David Levy. And it's such a good show. It is about a rich family. I think I briefly talked about it on my last video. Check that one out. About a rich family who, I think, accountant or business partner like gyps them and ends up bankrupting them because he takes their money. And it is so good. So they end up losing everything. So it starts off with government going through, or the IRS going through and taking their valuables, and they're like panicking because obviously that's their shit. Like, they're panicking a little bit. They're like, oh my god. So they're gathering as much as they can to take with them. Okay, I'm going with the Tarte. It's a blush palette book. I literally just dab in like so many colors and call it a day. But yeah, so they're scrambling to get all their stuff that they can carry with them, and the mom's like so worried about her wigs. You guys should watch it. The mom is so funny. It's Catherine O'Hare, and she plays the mom in Beetlejuice. That's the only thing I remember her in. She's been in other stuff, but that's the only thing I can think of right now. But so she's like running around getting her wigs, and like they have a daughter, Alexis, who's like super fucking prissy, but she means well. And then the son, who is David Levy, who's the creator with the dad, is David, and he's so funny. He's so funny. And then you have the dad, Eugene Levy, who plays the dad, Johnny. He's also funny as well. Oh, wow, that's pretty. I'm taking Artist Couture. This is in Purple Dream highlighter, and whoopsie. I've had this highlighter forever, but I always forget to use it. And now that I'm putting it on, I did not realize that it was purple. But she's bright, like the diamond. So they're scrambling to get their property that they can carry, and the dad a long time ago ends up buying this town as a joke for his son called Schitt's Creek, spelled S-C-H-I-T-T, so Schitt's Creek. And so they own that town, so that's where they end up going. The bank pretty much said that town's worth nothing, so that's why they didn't want to confiscate it. And so they end up going to that town, and you meet the townies, and you meet the mayor, and his wife, Jocelyn and Roland, and then you meet the townie. It is such a like, she tried to get me to watch it last year's vacation, and honestly, I was not feeling it. I was like, this isn't it. Like, I'm not liking this. But then I end up watching it because I have nothing else to watch, and bitch, it is so good. Side note, can I just share this mug that I keep my brushes in? They're dirty, don't mind them. Isn't that cute? It's a mug of me and my friend, my best friend Michelle. It's so cute. And on the back it says, I'm pretty sure we are more than best friends. We are like a really small gang. I got it off of this place on Facebook, and I thought it was cute, so I bought her one for Christmas. Look at that. Keep my brushes in there. Hey bitch. I set my face with the Tarte Maracuja because I am done with the face products. Oh, I love that. For eyeshadows, I have two of them that I'm going to dabble into. I'm doing Natasha Denona This one is the Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. That's like 50 bucks. Just kidding. But still, I'm gonna do this palette here. Look how gorgeous that is. Same tans I always do. And then I was going through my stuff and I totally forgot about this palette. You guys remember the Modern Renaissance? Like the palette of the decade. Like this palette was bomb. You can tell I freaking love this palette. And I'm gonna dabble into a couple of shades in here too as I talk. Anyway, you should check out Schitt's Creek. Like I said, it is extremely hilarious. It's really funny. There is, I think I'm gonna do, yeah, this one. There's 6 seasons on Amazon. There are 6 seasons on Netflix, and it's just extremely, extremely funny. It has the best humor, and my favorite character is the mom, which is Moira. I can never say her name. But yeah, she is so funny. She has an accent, and like the mom wears different wigs every episode, and it's so freaking hilarious. I think I should check out that show. I'm going in with the Hake and Henry eyeliner. Oops. And we're just gonna do a little wing. Okay, I did that way thicker than I wanted it to be. Why do I do that to myself? I was not feeling that wing liner, but it is what it is. I'm good with the Fenty. I love that mist. Go in with my lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so lashes are on. I forgot to mention the mascara I use. I use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which is like my favorite mascara right now. And then the lashes I'm using is the H&B. These are the So Extra lashes. Because holy shit, can you guys see? Like, look at that. They're like super fluttery, super big. I freaking love them. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're very dramatic lash, which I like. So now we're gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC Laurel shade. This shade is similar to my lip shade. So now I'm going in with MAC lipsticks. I haven't used these in a long time. I haven't decided which one I want to use. I think I'm going to use Velvet Teddy. Do you guys remember? I got the mini one. Do you guys remember this was such a popular shade? Velvet Teddy right here. True contender. And then I have this one, which I don't think I'm using, but I am going to talk about it. This one's the Marrakesh. It's like a really dark. Ooh, look at that. Very dark. Not happening. Oops. Not happening. And then I have Whirl, which is definitely another fave of mine, which is right here. So I think I'm gonna go on Whirl. And I don't know what I said this lip liner was, but it's called Absolutely It. That's the shade. I don't know what I said it was. I definitely don't think I said that, so I forgot how good MAC lipsticks are. And then just to go in the center to brighten it up, I'm gonna go in with Velvet Teddy. And that is the final look. I hope you guys like these styles of videos where I just sit down and I talk and I just get ready, because I don't know what else to talk about. I don't know what else makeup style to do. I feel like all the makeup styles have already been out there. So if you guys have any suggestions of what I should do, just leave them down below in the comment section. But yeah, this is an expensive makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I do a video every Sunday. I will see you guys in the next video. And happy 2021, guys. New year, new me. Let's rock this shirt. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.